Question 33. Using the numbers 1 to 9 once only, fill this magic square so that the three numbers in each row, column and diagonal add up to 15. We can see then that we have this grid of 9 squares, so we have 3 rows across like this, and we have 3 columns down like this, and we also have 2 diagonals. This is a diagonal and this is a diagonal as well. We're allowed to use the numbers 1 to 9, so we can use all of the numbers once each and no more than once to create rows, columns and diagonals which add up to 15. We can see that the number 5 is in the middle of this square. This helps because this means that if we need a row to add up to 15, the numbers on either side of the 5 must add up to 10. 10 plus 5 makes 15, so I need the numbers on either side, like this, to add together to make 10. We can see this is already the case on this diagonal here. The 8 and the 2 on either side of the 5 add up to make 10, and therefore with the 5 added in as well, we make 15. So if we have 1 here and we need this square and this square to add to make 10, then this square must contain a 9, because 9 plus 1 makes 10, and then the added 5 in the middle would make 15. So we can go down the numbers now. We've used the 9, the 8 is already on the grid, and so is the 4, so is the 2, and so is the 1. Now I'm going to look at the bottom row across here. I have 2 numbers, 8 and 4 add together to make 12, and remember we're making 15, so I need 3 more to be in this square here. So this must be the 3, and now we've used the 3. Remembering that we need to make columns which add to 15 as well, and I've got 3 here, so we need the 2 squares on either side of our 5 to add up to 10. 3 plus 7 makes 10, so this square must contain a 7. This means that 7 and 3 makes 10, and 5 more makes 15. So now we've used the 7 as well. Now we only have one more number to place. We've got the 5 because that's in the middle, and this is a 6. So the only place the 6 can go is here. And we can see this works. 6 here and 4 makes 10, and 5 more makes 15. 6 and 1 makes 7, and 8 more makes 15. 2 and 9 is 11, and 4 more is 15. So each of the columns, rows and diagonals now add up to 15.